A dog is heading home after finding a big, juicy bone. On his way home, he happens upon a river and he sees his reflection in the water. He thinks he sees another dog with a bigger and better bone more than the one he has. So he barks at the other dog to try to get his bone too. But when he barks, his bone falls out of his mouth. So he has to go home with no bone at all. We always want more than we have. But when you take inventory of your possessions, you might realize that the bond you have is enough. It doesn't mean that you shouldn't strive for bigger and better things in your life. You just should be careful about always wanting more. Eventually, you find that the desire to have a cake and eat it will lead you to actually have nothing at all.